Okay, so I've done a little bit more with the software. So I have now created a shell. So each one of these is its own kind of program within a program. So if I want to turn on an instrument, I can go to my DMM1, I can hide it, or I can bring it back into its position. So if I go update, it now goes to the DMM. If I now go change this to, here I have volts DC, but if I want to measure current, this one goes to current, and now it is measuring current, so I can go update. If I'm measuring AC, voltage AC, it calculates a dB value for that for that input. So I can measure 4 inputs at the same time. Power supplies, I've done a little bit of updates, same thing. So now I can, they're off, turns one of them on, turns the second one on, or I can link the two. So I have a link button between the two, and now those work in tandem. So that is now a 25 volt bipolar power supply. Signal generator, I made up a little bit of an update. So if I move my scroll bar, it changes the frequency of the signal generator. So the signal generator changes, which is pretty awesome. Scope, I haven't done much with the scope except for, just made it its own little application, but it auto scales and then it returns all of the necessary values, gives me phase difference, etc., etc. This has been a lot of work. This is the Rigel scope. So now I have control over the Rigel scope over an IP. So if I have an input, shut those off. So if I have input 1 and I want to, I can do a couple things. I can time scale it, I can shift it, do a phase shift, I can couple it differently, and then I can extract the raw data from it and export it to Excel. I don't have a signal going into it right now, but it's updating the scale, so I'm pretty happy with that. I haven't copied it over to the 4 of them, so I have 4 of those. And then the other thing that I've been working on is the Rigel FFT. I haven't put that much time into it, but that's next. I do believe that is next. And well, there's a couple other things I want to do first, but it is coming along super well. I'm very happy about it. Ciao.